The initial velocity of a car is 10 meters per second. The velocity of the car after 4 seconds is 30 meters per second. Find its acceleration. The formula for finding acceleration is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time taken. In our case here, final velocity is 30 and initial velocity is 10. So this is 30 minus 10 meters per second. We divide by time taken, which is 4 seconds. This is giving us 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5 meters per second squared. Thank you for watching.